Hello and welcome to Grok Trade and happy St. Patrick's Day. Today is Thursday, March 17th. My name is Jerry Usher, graduate student of the mentoring program, and this is the vNewsletter stock report. Okay, we're going to start here as we usually do, looking at the S&P 500 daily and just to get an idea of what the broad markets have done today. After a very big bear down day yesterday, we made a lower high and a higher low, so we have an inside trading day. Bearish Harami candlestick there. We've got some support and resistance areas here. Looks how those lines worked out nicely for today. We've got some resistance above here at the bottom lower trend line here of our flag that we had there. And of course, really not too much support down below as far as trend lines go. We do have these support lines from previous swings though. Alright, so things are looking like they're taking a little breather here, and we'll have to wait to see how tomorrow finishes. Take a look. And here we are looking at the S&P weekly, and you can see just the last couple of weeks have not been very nice. Now we do have the 20-day moving average here acting as some support. That's if we can stay above it here with the close of tomorrow. So keep your eye on that. Okay, now let's go ahead and jump to our bull stock. The bull stock didn't really perform too well this week, and I hope that's not a surprise to you since the week has been mainly a bearish week here. We've had a down leg. So this stock just kind of did what the markets did as well. Not as bad, but we did have a lower day today. Kind of fallen out of this triangle a little bit. We'll adjust that here over the weekend. We'll wait to see what tomorrow's close is. But we were looking at a falling wedge here, and we were looking at an entry here above this green line. So we're quite a ways away from that now. You know, the markets just are not bullish enough for this guy to perform. So it's not a bad stock. Keep it in your arsenal on a watch list. It's got great fundamentals. So if and when we know the markets are going to return bullish at some point, this could be a good candidate for you. So keep your eye on MIPS. And finally today, our bear stock of the week. I wish it was performing a little bit more bearish, but you'll have those things. We're looking here at ICLR. This is a daily. We are looking at a gap down and then a low base and then a slight bear pullback here, and we're just not pulling back as quickly as one would like if they were in the trade, such as me. However, though, I have my stop loss up here as protection. This top line is a stop. I'm still currently in this trade, playing with the 20-day moving average. Not looking like the best trade at the moment, but like I said, you'll have those things. Just make sure you manage your stops wisely if you're in this trade as well. And we're just going to follow this. Hopefully we'll get some downside movement here. Not expecting a real lot tomorrow to happen, but perhaps next week will be another bearish week, and if so, hopefully this guy will drop down. We're going to have two new stocks for you next week, and we'll check back in with ICLR to see how that trade has developed throughout the early part of next week. So this is it. It's Thursday night. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll be talking to you again tomorrow night. Take care.